everyone, I am starting this vlog off after my little morning routine is over, just because I feel like it's so repetitive to do in every single vlog, so I kind of just want to get into the video. Anyways, I am doing a pack with me vlog today, so I'm vlogging throughout the day, but today is focused on packing, and I figured I could really show you guys in detail how I pack for a trip. I am going to Peru tomorrow, which is crazy. I can't believe I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm going tomorrow to Peru. I'm going with Tasha. I'm so excited. She is going actually on a brand trip there, and I'm her +1, so I'm pumped. I'm really excited. If you guys cannot tell, I'm gonna practice my Spanish. But anyways, I am packing today, and I always pack the day before. I never pack earlier. I probably should get into the habit of packing a few days earlier, but I just can't bring myself to do it, so I just pack the day before. So I am going to show you guys how I pack for a big trip like this. We're going for 2 weeks, which is crazy, 14 days. I feel like I'm gone for so long, which is kind of stressing me out too, because I have so much to do before, because I want to like pre-upload and everything like that. So I'm really just going to show you guys everything that I do before I go on a trip, especially one that's out of the country, because I don't know how Wi-Fi is going to be, so I can't really rely on that. So I'm just crossing my fingers that everything goes well today. Anyways, this video is also sponsored by Proven Skincare, so thank you Proven for sponsoring today's video. I'm really excited to show you guys these products. Cannot wait. I used them on my face this morning, and right now I have no makeup on. I've been using them for about a week now, so I haven't spent too much time with them, but so far I love it. And I also don't self-tan my face. People ask me why. I don't know. I just like feel weird putting self-tanner on my face in case it breaks me out. I'm kind of nervous about that. So my body is very tan because I self-tanned this morning. My face is very white, as you guys can see. So basically what Proven is that it's like very customizable, which is awesome. I feel like it's kind of like how everything is going towards like taking a quiz and figuring out like your best vitamins, or now like your hair product, and now it's skincare. Skincare is so unique, and having something that is so customizable to your skincare I think is so important, because everyone's skin is different, everyone's environment of where they live is different, everyone's genetics are different, and skin is not a one size fits all. So I had so much fun taking the quiz. They base it on 27 different factors, so genetic, environmental, a bunch of other factors, and you just take a quiz online. It's super easy, it takes like less than 5 minutes to complete, and they have like over 14,000 ingredients that they can customize your skincare for, which I just think is crazy, because I feel like it's working for my skin. So like if I gave my skincare to my friend, it might not work for her as well as it's working for me. It was actually made by Stanford dermatologists and chemists, so it's very like scientifically backed up, and it's totally clean, toxic free. There's no parabens. It's a very clean product, which I think is very important. Again, I've only been using this for a week, so please keep that in mind, that this is my experience from a short period of time, but it is award-winning, and I just like the idea. The thing I like most about it is not only, yes, my skin does feel really good, but what I like about it is that I know that it was made for me specifically. It's not like I could go to the drugstore and buy this product. So that's just what I've been doing this past week, and I am going to bring it to Peru, which I'm really excited about. I'm packing it with me in my bag. You have 10% off, so if you guys want 10% off, I'm gonna have it linked down below for you guys. How cute is this elephant mug? I think it's so cute. It's just a little hard to hold because the trunk is like so small, so it's like an awkward, I don't know how to hold this type thing, but aesthetically it's very cute. And if you guys didn't know, fun fact, elephants are my favorite animal. I really filled this coffee up. I need to start drinking it. This morning I had a call with one of my like free clients that I'm working with. Well, we're focusing on Instagram for her. She wants to get into Instagram and to grow her Instagram. So what we talked about today was like reaching out to brands, and this is our first session after the consultation. So I basically kind of give her like steps on what to do these next like 2 weeks, because I won't be able to like help her out these next 2 weeks. So that I gave her like steps on what to do, and I also gave her like all the emails of all of these brands that I found online. Like I didn't use any of my personal resources because I don't want to like ruin those relationships that I have with brands and just giving out like random emails out to a bunch of people, so like that's not what my services will be, but I'm kind of prepping her on how to find these people. So I'm like, okay, like this is how you would look up like the PR person for this company, and I'm like searching through Google, showing her. I gave her 3 different templates for emails on how to pitch herself to brands. I told her exactly like the smart hashtags to use, brands to reach out to, like local ones, and how to word it and what to say, you know, things like that. Like this session was mainly just like reaching out to brands, so I'm really excited to work with her. She's also one of my friends. I met her through like social media and stuff, but still like I know her personally. But I'm so excited to like start my actual consulting services and having it open up to you guys. I am trying to think of pricing and stuff like that, because this is going to be a legit business. I'm not going to be doing this. It's not going to be like that cheap. It's also not going to be very expensive because I am starting out, but it's not going to be like, oh, 10 bucks a session or whatever. Like, you know, so just so that you guys know that, I'm kind of figuring out my pricing now, and it's good that I am working with people for free at first, because then I can kind of gauge like, okay, this is how long it took, this is what I think I'm worth, because this is like the results that they saw. So that's kind of like how it's going to be a good way for me to like gauge my prices as well. I am just kind of coming up with my packing list. I do have lunch with a friend at 1 and it's 12, but I do have like podcast stuff to do, pre-uploads to do, so I'm just gonna look at my Google Calendar and see everything that I need to have like uploaded already, and making sure that it's all scheduled and up, because again, I don't know my Wi-Fi situation in Peru. I know the hotels have Wi-Fi, but again, like being international, I just have no idea how reliable it's going to be, especially with video and podcasts. Like that's so much storage, and so like it's gonna take so long to upload to YouTube, so I don't know like about that. And I'm also emailing my assistant or like texting my assistant and telling her like, hey, you might have to upload for me, just so you know. I really wish that my window, I should have like put my desk at the window, so this way is better lighting. I guess it's not that bad and this camera adjusts. But right now I am recapping what we talked about on the call earlier today. I have a Google Drive with the clients that I have. So once I actually start getting like paid clients, I'm going to have a Google Drive that is shareable, and also a Google Calendar that is shareable for the both of us. And right now I'm just like writing down a recap on a Google Doc of everything that we talked about. So I'm telling her what to do, dates for when to do them. We're gonna start a calendar soon. I feel like a calendar is more beneficial for my friend that is starting an ebook, and I'm helping her like launch and create the ebook. So that's more beneficial, because we're like, okay, due dates by this, like you need to have this done by this and this and this. But like just growing your Instagram is more strategy. So just having a Google Drive where everything is just really, really helpful. That is what I am working on right now. I'm about to go to get lunch with my friend Katie. We're just gonna go to a cafe really close to me, and because I have self-tanner on and it is actually raining outside, I don't want to risk getting wet at all. So I am wearing this denim jacket, this t-shirt, these joggers, and my sneakers. I know it's not like the most cute outfit, but it's practical, and I'm not really doing much today. Like I don't need to get dressed up, and honestly I'm like kind of cold in my apartment, so this works. I got a bunless veggie burger. This looks amazing. It's presented very, very nicely. Katie got the grits. Got a potato latke. Did you not get one? A potato latke?
No,
you should. They're so good. Yeah, I'm with Katie. We're at like a really cute cafe in Charlotte. Nice break. It was her last day of school.
First year down.
I'm watching Tasha's video. She just did a pack with me, so I'm watching her video because I gotta know what to pack, and then I'm going to start packing. I just pre-uploaded a video, scheduled it. I still haven't recorded my podcast intros, so I'm gonna have to do that eventually and schedule those, but in the meantime, I think a good break would be to pack. Okay, so after YouTube was my research, I wrote down all the places that we are going. So I have like day 1, day 2, day 3, whatever. And I kind of wrote down the weather there, so I know what to pack and what we're doing. So I know here we're like walking in the city, so I'm just gonna wear a normal outfit. But then I know I'm pretty sure the Colca Canyon where we might be hiking. So I said bring hiking clothes. Same with Puno. So I'm gonna bring like a bunch of athleisure stuff, and then just like a bunch of jeans, and yeah. I also do like want to look cute and stuff, but my main priority is functionality and not overpacking. I am an overpacker, but I really am going to try not to overpack on this trip because I don't want to be, we're traveling so much. Like, I think the longest we're staying in a hotel is 2 nights. So we're constantly on the go. Like, I'm not going to bring this giant suitcase. Please look at how big it is. Like, I'm not bringing this. This is way too big. It's ridiculous. Like, this isn't happening. But yet, it's also 14 days, so I don't want to bring a carry-on. So, we're gonna do a happy medium. First, how I like to pack personally is I first just like put everything on my floor. I don't even take my suitcase out yet. I put everything on the floor so that I can see exactly what I need to pack. And then from there, I decide like how big I need my suitcase to be. So some people might do it differently because you want to make sure everything fits in one specific suitcase. But for me, I'm trying to figure out which suitcase I need to bring, the large, medium, or small bag. So most likely it's gonna be the medium one, and I'm just gonna put everything in there. And then we get one additional carry-on, like a backpack, not any other bags though. So I'm gonna bring my North Face backpack. I feel like it's a good like hiking backpack and just like travel backpack. But yeah, let's just get started. I am first looking at this list. So I see first Lima. I think I'm first gonna do all of like, I'm doing it in order. I know it could be faster if I just did like all my normal outfits and then all my hiking outfits. But for my mind, I like doing things in order. So day one is Lima. It's gonna be 82, low 65, and then we're just gonna be walking in the city. So I'm just gonna go to my closet and find just like jeans and maybe like a long sleeve top, or it's 82, so probably not long sleeve, but I'll bring like a jacket for if it gets chilly at night or inside of restaurants or anything like that. So I feel like my mom's like, it might be chilly inside. Bring a jacket. When I was younger, I'm like, Mom, it's 80 degrees. I don't need a jacket. And now I'm like, oh, well, what if we go inside somewhere that it's cold? Okay, so I just laid out all of my outfits, and these I did it by day, and then I also, on my phone, have a list of what I'm wearing. So day one, I have like the exact stuff so that during the days, I don't have to question what outfits are packed for what, because typically I forget a lot of times. So here is like my base. Here's all the outfits I need, and then after this, I'm gonna add little things that like, maybe I might need like a big jacket, a rain jacket, and then I'll add my shoes. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this in the suitcase. I think I only need the medium one. I feel like I can roll this stuff up and it'll fit. Like, I don't need like a huge suitcase for all of this. Also, I like to pack backwards, so this is like one of the last days, so I'm gonna put it at the bottom. It just makes more sense for me instead of like putting the stuff that I'm wearing and then the first day at the bottom, and then I have to like get rid of everything. So that is another pro tip. Pack from the first day on top to the last day on the bottom. Okay, so here are all of my clothes. It takes up only half of the suitcase, which is awesome. And then I still have this other half to put everything else. So here I'm gonna put shoes, toiletries, a jacket, maybe one extra sweatshirt. Here I'll put like my bras and underwear, and I'm not really gonna bring much jewelry. I think I'm just gonna bring like my necklaces that I wear every day and like one pair of earrings, because I do want to pack light. I'll put like bags and stuff like that in here. So I always like having half of the bag for clothes and the other half for literally everything else. So I am packing my Proven skincare. I like how like thin they are. I'm just packing it in this bag. I also have my balm.com. This is really, really good lip balm from Glossier. I have the mint flavor, and then also my Rodent & Fields Lash Boost. So I'm just packing all of that. I like keeping this out though, so I'm just gonna have this by my sink because I'm using it tonight and tomorrow morning. But I like packing it just so that it's like already in the bag, so I can like immediately put it back in the bag. And then I already packed my makeup just because I am not gonna wear makeup tomorrow on the plane. I have an 8-hour flight and then like a 3-hour flight, I think, to Houston. So I'm gonna be on the plane a lot. I'm not like even mentally prepared yet, which kind of scares me. Okay, latest additions that I packed. I put 3 little dainty necklaces and my earrings. I'm only gonna wear one set of earrings basically the whole trip. So I put them in this little cute Louis Vuitton bag. Some of you guys have asked me where this ring is from, and it is actually from Louis Vuitton, so that is why I have this bag. So I'm just gonna put this in here so it doesn't get lost. I also added a fanny pack. I think this is like the purse that I'm going to wear whenever we are like out and about, and then I'm also going to bring a tiny backpack for when we're hiking. I brought my NC State baseball cap, and I also have like a big thick jacket because some of the days it gets down to 30 degrees. And then I also brought this hat from Columbia, my straightener, because Tasha's gonna bring a curling iron and I'm bringing the straightener, but honestly I highly doubt we're ever gonna need any of them. And then I also brought a little rain jacket under here. So that is what I have so far. These are my tennis shoes that I'm bringing just because they have a little more traction, because the other ones that I have are like Nikes. I might switch these out with some that my mom has that have a little more traction because I am going home tomorrow morning so that they can take me to the airport. And yeah, I might switch them out, but if not, I really like them. And these are from Puma. And then I think I'm gonna wear these to the airport, so I will also have these on the trip. And then these Nikes will be the ones that I wear just throughout the day because I don't really want my bag to be heavy, so I don't want to overpack. Also, Keon was visiting me recently and he is now sick. So I don't want to get sick, so I'm drinking vitamin C to prevent me from getting sick, because me traveling and sick is like the worst combination and I'm such a baby when it comes to that. So I've been drinking vitamin C so that I am healthy. And I'm also gonna bring some vitamin C packets actually to Peru. I'm just gonna stick them in my carry-on because if I do feel like I'm under the weather, I at least wanna have something that I can kind of like rely on to help me feel better. I always lay out what I'm going to wear to the airport the next day on my bed. So I'm just gonna wear this like giant Champion hoodie. I recently got this from Urban Outfitters. I think it's really cute. I got it from the men's section, but I just think it's like a cool sweatshirt, and I'm just wearing like a sports bra and leggings and a t-shirt in case I get warm, because I think when we land it's gonna be cool, but like everywhere else, like I'm going to like from Charlotte to Houston to Peru, it will be a little warmer. And I'm just taking this backpack. I'm gonna put my laptop, my hard drive, my vlog camera. I'm not bringing a purse. Like I said, I'm just gonna bring like that fanny pack and like my little backpack. Like I have another backpack in there for hiking and stuff like that. I have to pack my Apple Watch, and I'm just gonna pack the rest in here. Also, I don't know if I did give you an update. This is the backpack that I'm bringing. I'm bringing tampons because unfortunately I am getting my period on the trip, so I just brought the whole box. Here I also have dry shampoo, deodorant, my toothbrush. It's Quip in this little travel container, and I'm pretty sure that's all I didn't show you. I put my bras and underwear in here. I have like a little sample, or not sample, a little travel perfume in here. That is it, you guys. I think I am packed for Peru. I don't think I'm missing anything. I have my toiletries still in the bathroom, but yeah, yay! I hope that you guys liked this travel with me. I am vlogging every single day on the trip. I'm gonna make like 2 big vlogs, I think, one for each week, and I'm so excited to just take you guys with me. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did like it, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out Proven Skincare. I am a huge, huge, huge fan. I actually just washed my face with it right now, and it feels really, really nice on my face. I just love how customizable it is, and it is good for your skin. It has safe ingredients, which is key for me personally. I don't know about you guys, but I think the futures of skincare is here, and it's going to be all customizable. Definitely check it out with my link down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. I'm so excited for Peru.